Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ford, and I want to kind of define processed foods. Processed foods is a term that is a hot debate, and people are trying to understand what that means. Does it mean a can of beans? Does it mean a Pop-Tart? Does it mean candy? Does it mean frozen vegetables? And so when you're looking at academic writing, you want to define things as clearly as possible so you're on the same understanding. And words matter. And I think most wise counsel will say the words that you use can reflect the thoughts that you're having, the feelings in your heart. They can matter quite a bit. And so when you're talking about processed foods, you want to understand what that means. In general, when I'm working with someone, a processed food could be anything that can sit on a shelf for a really, really long time and not spoil. But also that could be ketchup, that could be salsa, that could be so many condiments that I use that it can be kept for a really long time, and it doesn't necessarily mean bad. And so different researchers have come up with, if the ingredients in the food, and we're calling it processed foods, if you can't mimic those in your kitchen and you have to require like an industrial lab, there's different classifications, and the most widely used in academic research is called the NOVA classification system, and it's 1, 2, 3, or 4. 4 being ultra processed food. So ultra processed food would be the term that's widely accepted that would define the foods that are injuring metabolism and health. So when you're looking at conjecture or research, you're looking for the term NOVA 4 or ultra processed food. And I hope this helps. If this does, like and subscribe and follow along. Okay, bye.